Hello everyone, it's Raifa. Today we are gonna draw a cute frog. First draw two cute eyes of the frog. Now draw the face. Let's draw the body of the frog. Now draw four legs with me. Look, the frog is smiling. Now coloring time. Use light green color on its body. I love coloring cute animals.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick.
Watch full video.